Hi dolls, my name is Daniela and today we are going to be doing a smoky eye using the new palette 3503 Fierce by Nature by Morphe. And this is just a beautiful palette. Look at these colors. Alrighty dolls, we're going to get started with the Urban Decay eyeshadow priming potion, and I'm just going to distribute this all over my eyes with a brush and get started with the beautiful palette that I just showed you. Our starting brush is going to be the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. To start off with the base color, we are going to be using this beautiful orange color called Disrupt. And as always dolls, I am going to get started in the corners and just gonna blend as you can tell. I've been really liking this large blending brush that I got in my BoxyCharm box. I just love that you can put on a bunch of product at once, but it's a great everyday brush. I really use it for my everyday look as well. What I'm going to point out is that this palette is so pigmented. I absolutely love it, and you get so many options. I want to say I paid this palette $25, but as you guys know, I will link this product below, and you can always get yourself one as well. Alright dolls, so I'm just now going to be using the E35 blending brush. It's a clean blending brush that I'm just going in and blending in some more. I definitely didn't put any shadow on it. Now we're going to be using a color called Furcious or Faroish. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but we are going to be using our Sigma E35 blending brush as well, starting off at the corners and just blending. Alrighty dolls, here I'm using a 430 crease brush by Moda. It's also another crease brush that I'm just going to be blending the shadows in. Alrighty dolls, now it's time to use the darker colors. This color is called Domination, and we're going to be using our E38 crease brush by Sigma. Gonna start in the corners and work our way over, just blend. As I always tell you dolls, I'm going to fast forward this video because blending does take a little time because you want that perfect blended in smoky eye. Here I'm going in with a shader E25 Sigma brush, and I'm just taking that Domination color and putting it on the bottom of my eyes as well. As I always tell you dolls, once you go darker, you want to start putting on the bottom as well and smoke it out. Going back in with that Sigma E38 crease brush, we will be going in with a color called Hypnotic, and it's a beautiful deep purple or burgundy, just depending on what your eyes see. I'm going to start in the corners and blend as well, and as you can tell, I'm taking my time on this blending. As you can tell, this look is slowly coming together, and I cannot wait till you see the final finished look. Oh hi! Now going back in with our E20 shader brush, I'm going to be taking a little bit of the Hypnotic color and also a color called Smoked Out. It's the darkest color in the palette, just to give it that full dark eye look underneath. Guess what time it is? It's time for the color the OG, and it is finger time, I'm going to be taking the light color, putting it in the middle of my lids, as I always do, and just blending it in slowly and surely. The moment in the spotlight before I apply my lashes. And I'm back. Here, dolls, I just baked my face and applied lashes. Going in with a 109 MAC brush, I am going to be using the bronzer Anastasia Beverly Hills, the color Tawny, whichever, and I'm going to be contouring my face and just giving me contours for days, honey. Now, going in with my favorite lip duo, I'm here using the NYX Nude Suede Shoes Liner, just outlining my whole lip. As I always tell you, dolls, outline your whole lip to keep that gloss, lip gloss, lipstick, whatnot on for longer. I am also going to be using my Victoria's Secret Matte Velvet Lip Gloss in Adored. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, know that this is absolutely my favorite lip duo, and it will take a lot for me to give this baby up. Oh honey, that dance when your makeup is almost over. Hey! And it is glow time. Now I'm going to be going in with our E25 Sigma highlighter brush and using my glow kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to be using the color Golden Bronze, dipping in that brush and shining bright like a diamond. As I always say, you can never have enough highlighter, not at least in my book. A girl can have 2 seconds to be a little extra. Be right back. Alright beauties, this is the final look. I hope you liked it, loved it. Please comment, let me know, give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Let me know what you think. As I mentioned, I did use the 3503 Fierce by Nature Morphe palette that just has these beautiful colors. I'm going to be linking all the products I used below. And please, 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 if you would love to get notified every time I post a video, you can hit that bell, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. And once again, thank you for watching. Love, Daniela.